Daycare provider. Childcare insurance is important in your daycare center, for you and your business. This liability insurance covers any accident with the child under your premises. Every daycare provider needs this liability insurance. Parents entrust their children in your daycare, and it is your responsibility to take care of the children while they are in your facility or premises. This insurance policy will protect you and your business in case the child get hurt in your activities like swimming, or even field trip. Daycare forms are filled by parent before you will accept the child under your care. This form requires the parent to submit medical record of the child, if the child has an allergy, asthma, or any serious disease that needs special treatment. This form must be signed by the parents to avoid problems. Another form they should submit is the updated immunization of the child with doctor's signature. These are some proper ways to avoid lawsuit in the future. But accident with children while playing is not avoidable. Liability insurance comes handy if such accident happens. Every state has rules and regulation about childcare, and they impose the daycare provider to secure license and insurance for their business. Liability insurance pays or settles the medical expenses of a child in case accident occurs in your house premises. You pay a certain amount in insuring this liability insurance. This liability insurance doesn't cover child abuse. This insurance will pay the damage in case you lose in a lawsuit. There are liability limit in any insurance, depending on how much you pay for the said insurance. The higher you pay for the said insurance, the higher insurance premium you will get. If your policy liability is $100,000 and the damage cost or hospital bill to be settled is $150,000, you are liable to pay the remaining $50,000. The insurance will pay the $100,000, but you are obliged to pay the remaining balance for the cost or damage. Insurance liability cost depends on the coverage you want. This will include on how many children enrolled in your daycare center. The higher you pay for the premium, the higher the amount of money you will get from the policy. Insurance premiums vary from one company to another depending on the insurance coverage they offer. You can seek advice from professionals. They can help and explain the insurance policy you needed in your daycare center. The premium cost annually is $680 to $960, and the maximum coverage is $1 million, and the lowest coverage is $25,000 if you pay the premium of $290 to $416 annually. It is better if you seek legal advice before you buy insurance policy. Some legal term may not be clear to you. It is best to seek legal advice. There are two forms of insurance, the claim made and the occurrence form. Occurrence form is better than claim. Even the policy expires, they will still cover the accident. Claim made only covers the policy while you are still paying the premium currently. If the policy has expired, they will not cover the accident. Accident insurance is much cheaper than the liability insurance, and it offers small premium. Before you start your own business, make sure you settle all requirements needed. Make listing and preparation for your daycare center. You can check online for additional information you need regarding the insurance liability for your daycare center.